Alright, that came out pretty good. There were a bunch of rocks and stuff down in the top. Put all those down around the bottom and edges and stuff. But I got 2 packs of 6. And since there were 9 holes, I got 1 in each hole. And decided to just put 3 in the top rather than just having nothing there, and that way I at least used them up, or planted them. Otherwise I'd have 3 more that I'd have to plant somewhere, and this way they'll come up over and hopefully down the sides. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. It turns out I was right to get that bag of mulch, the 8 quarts, because I used about half to 3/4 of that bag and all the dirt that was in the pot originally. That was potting soil originally. Back when we first did this, I had a whole bag of peat moss that we got for, like, it wasn't real planting peat moss. It was the kind to use for potting, indoor fake plants. But I needed something to add in there to try and help make sure the water went down. So that all went to dirt. And that's why it went from this original level down to about here, soil-wise. And so, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I think it'll work. We'll see. I'm not sure, but it's at least, since this is sitting in the yard, it's at least now pretty sitting in the yard versus, an empty planter that looks horrible. I mean, it's chipping and beat up, but yeah, we got flowers. So, very cool.